In today's lesson, we're going to be breaking down this iconic intro to Jake Shimabukuro's Me and Shirley T. We're going to be utilizing 3-finger picking with our playing hand and smooth pull-offs with our fretting hand. So let's go and dive in. Look something like this with the tab on screen. You can find a copy of this tab completely for free right over here, so download it to follow along. We're going to start here with our ring finger on the 8th fret of the A string. And we're also going to set our middle finger on the 7th fret of the A string. So they're both on the same string. We're then going to take our middle finger on our playing hand. We're going to pluck that A string first. After we've plucked it, we're then going to do the pull-off technique with our ring finger by pulling the finger off of the fretboard. And as we do this, bring the camera super close in real quick, we're actually going to be plucking the string by actually putting tension on the pad of the finger and plucking it similarly to how we pluck it with our playing hand, except it's our fretting hand instead. And by doing that pull-off, we get that nice sound into the 7th fret of the A string, which is why we set that middle finger on right away. After we've played that first little part there, we're then going to play open on the G string with our thumb. And then we're going to pluck the 8th fret on the E string with our ring finger coming up to that string right there. I like to keep my middle finger still on that 7, let it keep ringing. And when I play this 8th fret on the E string, I'm going to use my index finger here on my playing hand. Then I'm going to play the open on the G again. And as I play that open on the G, I'm going to be sliding my whole hand down. I'm going to be doing this because the next note that's played is 1 on the E string, which I like to use my index finger right here to pluck that. And I use my index finger on my playing hand. After I pluck that note, I'm then going to do another pull-off. In this case, I'm going to be doing a pull-off from 1 to the open. So I need to be careful that as I do this pluck with the fretting hand, that I pluck sort of outward and try to not catch the A string. It takes some practice, but it sounds really good when you get it comfortable. After I've done that, I then go to the very last part of this, which is playing open on the C, which I use my thumb on my playing hand for, before then doing a down strum on a C chord with my ring finger here on the 3rd fret of the A string. So a lot of different techniques are at play here, but it's really fun to weave them together. It sounds and looks something like this when you do it all together. Bringing the camera back up. If you want extra help with these techniques, especially those pull-offs, they can be problematic. I've got a whole video on it that's linked right over here. I also have a video on the 3-finger technique, which we used as we were working through this intro part of Me and Shirley T. The gist of the 3-finger picking is that you want to make sure that your index and middle fingers on the A and E strings there, middle finger on the A string, index on the E, are perpendicular to the strings, and your thumb is in charge of both the G and C. It's a little bit more of an angle. Again, there's a video on that as well over here. All of these different techniques that are covered are linked in the description, so if you want that extra help, it's right there for you. Now be sure to subscribe to the channel because this is just part 1 with the intro. In the next video, we're going to be working on the verse. It's a lot of fun and starts using some more strumming techniques, including chunking and other things. So stay tuned. Thanks so much. Looking forward to the next one.